What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Invisigal from Dispatch. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So, let's start with our eyes. So, big eyelashes, large dark eyelashes, curved up and over. Spikes up the back. Thicken it up. Add a little spike out the front. And then, so bottom eyelid line, so it kind of like curves around this way. There is some eyelashes there as well, but we'll just draw it in this way first. And so like they do this sort of a thing. All right, so big brown eyes. So it kind of like comes down this way. Pupil, somewhere in the middle. Start with the dot and then make it as big as you'd like, really. That size probably works best. So she's got like a big eyebrow. Two of them, in fact. So we go up, kind of like hooks down the back. It's like a check mark, sort of. And then comes back this way to there. And then her nose there. So her other eye is kind of covered by her hair a little bit, but we'll draw it in. So just across from here, same sort of level, we'll go up and across. And spike it up at the end. And then make it a darker sort of line. Okay, and then this bottom one, so it goes down, sort of around as well, like this. And then we thicken this one up too. We had a little spike off the edge of it. And then like that, and then the pupil again. Like so. So I imagine the eyebrows, this eyebrow is the same sort of shape, I would say. It's kind of covered. Okay, well, I guess we'll do this. It goes up underneath her hair there. So no need to finish that because the hair covers that. So then her nose, so she's got a nose ring and her nostrils. So we'll do it this way. So we'll do the nostril first, either side. And then the nose ring is kind of the same line as the tip of her nose. Right, so basically you just do this silver sort of piercing. Down there. And then we just have some skin around the outside of her nose. And the rest is kind of, I think they just do it with shadow, sort of. So, mouth. And lips. Lipstick. And her chin. Like so. So she has kind of a wine glass sort of face shape, right? So jaw comes out. You're sort of aiming for mouth level, sort of in line with her mouth there. That's where it changed direction. And go up the side of her face. So and she has a hair spike on this side, but not really this side. There is some hair that comes down over it, but it kind of like curves in towards her eye there a bit. And then there's like a hair spike there. So let's see. So we got like a hair spike coming down this way. And then there's like another one here. That way. And then this one that comes down across her face. So it goes like and then across her eye here. Back up. Right, and then more of these. Especially on this side. Like a long one coming down here. We can see her ear in here. There's another one. This way. Right, so we just gotta sort of build this up now. So there's like layers inside. And then they seem to just spike one way and then the other. So okay, and then this comes down. It's like there's a double one here. Yeah, maybe, can we see? No, we can't. I thought maybe we could see a little bit of her ear in there, but we can't, so. Okay, so her neck, very small neck muscles, go down to her collarbone. And then she has a low collar. And this has her shoulders going that way and an edge around all this. And then she has the large pink collar of her jacket. Down there. Shoulders just come out this way. There's just some fold lines just on the edge. Like so. And I think that's everything. Invisigal. Invisigirl or Invisigal? I can't remember. Invisigal. That's it. It's an interesting game, Dispatch. I've been watching Jacksepticeye play it. And Rad Brad as well. It's cool. Story driven. Hope it's helpful. It's like a movie. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.